Are you hiccuping?
Yes, I saw a stat last night. I don't have these numbers. I didn't write them down, so I'm paraphrasing them.
Are you hiccuping?
I wanted to give you a percentage. Something like 30.
Are you hiccuping? Say hi.
Requests or applications and only 18 rejections.
You see that? She lip synced us. You lip synced us.
She's got sources telling her that the 5 warrant application process is being used by political people